Welcome to OSAG Luxury Experience. When every braid is placed with purpose, every detail matters, and every client feels amazing. Outstanding, styled, amazingly gorgeous. Luxury Illusion Side Part. Crochet. Every luxury hairstyle begins with intention. Today, I welcome back another beautiful repeat again to create a style that fits her lifestyle while maintaining elegance, confidence, and versatility. For this luxury experience, we created a OSAG Luxury Illusion Side Part Crochet using beautiful 18 inches Lux Ocean Wave hair. My client loved the length, but wanted it customized to something a little more manageable for her everyday routine. That's the beauty of luxury. Everything is tailored specifically for you. Using my OSAG Signature Braid Pattern and custom crochet techniques, I created a seamless illusion side part that gives the appearance of a natural installation while maintaining effortlessly lightweight, protective, and comfortable styles. To elevate the finished look even more, I incorporated my signature hand-tied stitching technique to secure and blend the style beautifully. The results: soft movement, natural volume, effortless elegance. A hairstyle that's ready for work, vacations, a date night, special events, church gatherings, or simply enjoying everyday life. Just shake and go. At OSAG Luxury Salon Studio, healthy hair remains the foundation of every luxury experience. My goal isn't just to style your hair, it's to create a look that restores confidence every time you see yourself in the mirror. Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel confident, it shows. Welcome to OSAG Luxury Experience. Outstanding, styled, amazingly gorgeous. This is the OSAG difference. Book your next luxury experience and appointment today. I'll see you in my chair soon.